Hi everybody, my name is Petite and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys all doing? Did you guys all subscribe? If yes, thank you so much, and if not, I hope you consider to subscribe to my channel and keep supporting me. It really means a lot to me, guys. It's free, and yes, you will know more about the Filipinas. Anyway, some of you people ask me to do a vlog why there are lots of much younger and single Filipinas are on a dating site instead of Filipinas that the age are ranging to 40 to 60. The simplest answer for that is because that age of the Filipinas are either in a relationship, they are family woman, or they are married. So as you can see, people here in the Philippines, before the Filipina reach the age 30, she is either in a relationship or she's married. And for today's topic, we will be talking more on about why the Filipinas, much younger Filipinas, are on the dating site and looking for foreigner instead of Filipino men. Some of you guys said that it's for economic security, saying that the Filipina are after money. So one by one, we will tackle all the reasons that I think why there are lots of much younger Filipinas you will meet and you will see in the dating site. Without further ado, let's begin. The number one reason for that, it's because of the social media. So as you all know, Filipinos are crazy in using different kinds of social media platforms. So I think in the whole world, we are the number one country that use social media a lot. As you can see, there are lots of influencers and vloggers here in the Philippines that they will start the vlog here because they know that the Filipinos loves foreigners and social media. So talking about social media, there are lots of influencer and couple bloggers are in a Filipina and foreigner relationship. So since younger Filipinas love using social media, we would see a lot of videos of couple vlogs of Filipina and foreigner relationships. So most of us are looking and aiming to have that kind of relationship. So for example, these couple bloggers, let's say American and Filipina relationship, they were uploading a lot of good videos. It shows there that they're having a good relationship together. So of course, it will catch the attention of these much younger Filipinas to be in a relationship with a foreigner instead of dating a Filipino man, okay? Even me, guys, I also follow a Filipina and foreigner relationship on YouTube, on Facebook, and any other social media. So yes, that's one of the reason why there are lots of much younger Filipinas and single Filipinas wanting to have a foreigner partner instead of dating a Filipino man. Alright, let's move on to number 2, which is dating site ads are everywhere in the social media. So talking about the social media again, name it, guys. If I open my Facebook, I would often see an advertisement of the social medias, name it like dating.com, Filipino Cupid, Christian Filipina, and Asian dating, because there are lots of advertisement. We can see it on television, on YouTube, if you open the Google, even if I open my music player, dating site advertisement is everywhere. So it catches the attention of these young people to join the dating site and try to look for a foreigner partner. The number 3 is because the Filipinas has a different impression about the foreigners now. So I will tell you a story, people. When I was growing up, guys, I only know about the foreigner is that you guys are a bad person. I mean, I'm sorry for that, but that is the truth. We don't have enough knowledge about the foreigners. All we know is that if we hear the word foreigners, you guys are bad person, and I'm sorry for that, because at that time we don't have the television, we don't have cell phone, we don't have social media, so we don't know anything about you. What we only learn because of the hearsay or stories from someone that saying that the foreigners are not a good person. We don't know about your culture, your country, and who you are. So whatever stuck in our mind when we were growing up, that's the only thing we believe at that time. But because of now what we are seeing in social media and what we are seeing in a real couple we met, then it changes the impression of the Filipinas about the foreigners. We also want to experience whatever we are seeing either in real couple or in social media. And so for me, because I worked overseas for a long time, my impression about the foreigner changes over time. Seeing a real couple like Filipina and foreigner relationship, it has a big impact for this young generation and young Filipinas that Filipina and foreigner relationship are working well. Let's move on to number 4 reason, which is some of the Filipinas wants to have a relationship with an older man, but as I've said in my previous vlog, most of the time Filipino men that the age is ranging 40, 50 or 60 are also not available. If they are not married, they are in a relationship and they are a family man. Not easy for us here in the Philippines to just meet an older man, and if we meet, they are still married or they are not available to be in a relationship. So it leaves us no choice but to join a dating site and look there for a foreigner that the age is what we prefer. Like example for me, I want an older immature man, but since no mature man, no older man likes me here in the Philippines, then leaves me no choice but to look for in a dating site. And number 5 reason, it's because of the success stories. So seeing those sweet couples either in social media or in person, then it made us think that yes, why not date a foreigner if seeing there are thousands of Filipina and foreigner relationship that are really working well. I have been using myself as an example, guys. I have 4 friends that are married to a foreigner. So seeing them being in a happy relationship, and it also made me think that why not give it a try and date a foreigner, because no one likes me here. I am below average here in the Philippines, and maybe I can also find something like this. On to number 6 reason, it's because some of these younger Filipinas doesn't want to experience what they are seeing when Filipino and Filipino relationship breaks down, guys. They don't want to experience anymore what they are seeing with their mom and dad if the relationship breaks down and the parents split up. And also these younger Filipinas, including me, seeing the Filipino and Filipina relationship are like only a sport. Most of the time men are playing games with the Filipinas. Younger Filipinas doesn't want to experience anymore what they are seeing in the society and here in the Philippines. So they would rather go on a dating site and look for foreigner instead of, in their mind, they would suffer and experience what they are seeing with this Filipino and Filipina relationship. And the last thing would be personal reason. So I call it personal reason, guys, because we know that each and every one of us has different mind and different mindset. So we really don't know what is the real motives of each and every one Filipina in the dating site. Whether some of them wants just to scam money, they want green card, or someone wants to be in America. But also, we cannot generalize that all of them are scammers. There are also lots of Filipinas that are only looking for true love. Same as there is foreigners that looking for true love, and there are also foreigners looking only for fun, looking for games. And I've heard a lot of comments from you guys saying that, oh, Petite, do not cover it up, do not sugarcoat it. But you know already, and we know already, that the Filipinas, all of you Filipinas, are in a dating site because you just wanted to go to United States, you just want a green card and for money. In some cases, guys, it's true, because there are also lots of Filipinas thinking that if you are living in America or all foreigners are rich. This is for Filipinas that doesn't experience anything except their world here in the Philippines. So whatever things you tell them, they wouldn't understand, guys, because they don't experience to live overseas, don't experience any other culture, and they would believe only to whatever they want to believe. Even if I defend and tell them that not all foreigners are rich, they want to believe, guys. They don't care about this because they don't know anything about living overseas or what it is the reality in living in America or anywhere around the world. Some of them are being whitewashed already, who's thinking that all foreigners are rich, and they don't know that if we're living overseas and we became lazy there, we would end up living in a street or homeless. The only way for them to realize that living overseas or living in America is not as good as what they think is for them to experience it. Because if they would experience it, then they would realize that what good life we have overseas is because of our hard work. I am not sugarcoating anything, I am not covering it up, but that's true. Some Filipina thinks that all of you guys are rich people. Another comment that I've read on my comment section saying that whenever a guy is in a relationship with Filipina, there will be always money involved. I think for every relationship, the money will be involved. It doesn't matter if you're in a relationship with Filipinas or other nationality, because in a relationship, it will be give and take. You guys want to have a woman by your side because you need companionship, you need someone to take care of you, and you need love from someone, and the only one who can give you what you're longing for is the woman. On the other hand, you as the guy has the ability to provide, then the relationship will be just give and take, guys. For example, you are dating a Filipina that has no degree and she doesn't have job, but you still wants to continue the relationship with her, then it's your decision already. It's not the Filipina's fault, because in the first place, you know already that she doesn't have degree, she doesn't have job, and she doesn't know anything, but you still continue to date her and you give your 100% consent to this. And some of you guys saying that all Filipinas are scammers. What if we will also tell you that all foreigners in the dating site that looking for Filipinas are pedophile? You will also tell and defend yourself that I am an exception because I'm only looking for true love. Same as what we will feel, guys. We will also defend ourselves saying that we are only looking for true love and not exactly money that can lift us into poverty. Some of the cases also that the parents would tell to their children to just date a foreigner instead of dating a Filipino man because they don't want to experience the hardship of life here in the Philippines anymore. For those who's telling that I also joined the dating site because I want a good life in America. I lived overseas for 10 years and I know how hard it is for us to pay bills, our garbage, natural gas, electricity, apartment, insurance. So I know it's not easy to live overseas. This is just only the same reason as why you men are in the dating site, because you also want a happy relationship. Is it a big sin for us to dream to meet a responsible guy, a mature guy that will accept us and love us, which we cannot find here in the Philippines? It's not. So yes, it's true that some Filipina wants to have a good life. They think that if they will marry a foreigner, it will lift them into poverty. We all want a happy relationship, right? Just like you are in dating site and you're looking for Filipina because you want a companionship. You need love and care that you think that only Filipina can give to you. The same for Filipina. They only want to be happy, guys. That's it for today, people. I hope you enjoy my vlog for today, and if you do, I hope you consider to like and subscribe to my channel and be with me as we tackle everything about the Filipinas. By the way, if you want to meet single, beautiful Christian Filipina, then you can check my link on the description box below, and you can create an account for free, sign up for free in Christian Filipina dating site, so you can also check my profile there, people. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and see you in my next videos. Bye bye.